to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb, I'm trying to detonate it. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make me smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty with your baton, racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiatos, but shawty get any work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vito, or a grand reverse. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love, maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside, I can tell you like persistence, but I make you make me try. I just think we need one night, can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right, can't decide but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups, I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right, but that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm all mine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? Don't know me, don't know me. If I keep sick on me, don't know me, don't know me. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Baby, this was for you.
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to way before. Before I had you writing songs. And again, I can be drunk.
Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel you blessed. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. But this is like a law. I know it just be the best.
I'm looking at her and her starting to turn into you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her?
We probably trapped in the birds. M29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, I make this shit beat. Won't have a teeth when I feast.
Sleeping this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it out the creek. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. Are you by the Terrell? The Nautic is down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me, is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to way before I had you writing songs. But then again, I can be drunk.
Make me What's up everyone, it's TheTastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Wiggins Hair, and today I'm reviewing this pre-styled unit that I absolutely love. This unit is so bomb, you guys. Like, I am just loving how all of these units come pre-styled. Like, I cannot get enough of that. I feel like the past couple units that I've even reviewed have all been pre-styled units, so I'm loving the fact that companies are just on top of their game with like styling the units. And not only that, like, the style is cute, but the actual unit itself is constructed so well, and I can't wait to get into all the details with you guys. So first off, let's talk about how well this unit is pre-plucked. Look at that. Like, it is pre-plucked so good. Absolutely love it. And you guys, I don't have any product here in the center part, and I'm gonna prove that to you now. So I'm gonna take a comb and I'm gonna go underneath here. Like, I can stick the comb there and leave it. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, there is no product underneath here. I didn't put anything right here. This is just how it looks. And you guys, it looks so natural, so seamless, without using any product whatsoever. You don't have to use a melting band or anything like that. Like, the lace is just so good. Absolutely love it. And of course the braids. But yeah, look at the braids, how intricate this braid is. It's done so well. It's nice and tiny here in the front, and then it gets larger in the back. They have a braid here down the center as well, and I feel like they put like hairspray or something on this part, because this part is like a little harder. But yeah, that's what's going on here. And then it has a rubber band here, and then the braids and everything are here in the center. But I just have mine like going back just so it can be flat. I did a unit like this before, but it was a straight unit. This one is a curly unit. I'm not sure on this wave pattern though. I would say this is like a deep wave or a water wave. It's just a really beautiful texture nonetheless. And like, look at the edges. Like, the edges look so good. Like, the lace on this unit is so bomb. Like, look at that. It's so nice. And you guys saw that this unit also came with like some pre-made baby hairs. I put mine like in this little swoop that just has everything going back. I didn't want to do like any curly baby hairs or anything crazy like that. I didn't add any baby hairs down here because I just felt like it was unnecessary. You don't need to add that feature at all. Like, same thing on this side. It just looks good with just this one swoop, and then you're done. Like, sometimes you just like, sometimes less is more. Get what I'm saying? So you don't have to do too much. But yeah, I love this unit, you guys. I love how full it is too. It's still a little bit damp because I did just wet my hair not that long ago. You guys saw like when I first installed the unit what it looks like when it's completely dry. Absolutely beautiful texture, very full. One thing that I really like about this unit is the fact that this is a pre-styled unit, meaning that I took it straight from the box and put it on my head without having to do any type of styling to it. This style already came in the hair. With that being said, I like the fact that this unit does not have a weird smell to it, because sometimes I'll get units and they have like a fishy kind of undertone to it that I'm not a fan of, or they just smell like chemicals or whatever, like the factory smell like. But I like the fact that this is something that doesn't have a weird stench to it, and also it just feels really soft. Like, the hair itself is so soft. It's so lightweight as well, even though it is very full. The other great thing about this unit is the actual construction underneath. I'm so happy that this unit has the adjustable straps in the back, and it also has the elastic band that you can hook in or you can take it out. It's removable. Love that feature. And like I said, this is just a great fit because the fit is so good. You guys saw, as soon as I put this unit on, it was just seamless. It was literally perfect. Like, it didn't require much at all to make it actually look good. So the only thing that I really had to do today was just, of course, do the little swoops right here, which was still optional. But I just used this Got2b gel, and then I just adhered the unit only on the very sides just to get those laying down nice and flat for us. And then of course cut it to my, you know, head shape or whatever, like, you know, customize it, cut around my ears and everything, make sure it fits me perfect. But yeah, this is just the perfect unit for anybody who's a beginner, anybody that just likes this really fun and creative style. Like, you have to consider the fact that, like, if you were to go to the hair salon and get your hair done, they're gonna charge you an arm and a leg to get your hair styled like this, to install it, to wash your hair, to braid it. All of that's gonna cost you a lot of money, on top of the fact that you have to bring your own hair. Something like this, I just feel like just takes all of the hassle out. I think this unit is perfect for a vacation. I would definitely wear my hair like this if I was on vacation. I would definitely bring bring this with me on vacation too, because you know when you're on vacation you have excursions, you have things booked, you got this reservation, this and that, and you need to be on the go. This is something that you can just quickly put on within 10 minutes or less and be ready to walk out the door. The other great thing about it is that if you don't want to, you don't have to have it all in the front. You can actually have everything off to the back, which is even better. You know what I mean? You see how much of a difference that is? That just like opens this up in the front. I have this off the shoulder top that I felt like paired perfectly with this. Everything is nice and slick to the back. Absolutely love that. You know, like I said, this is perfect for the summertime too, because you get everything off of your face. It's more like airy and lightweight, and even though this is curly hair, it's not like the really big like afro kind of curly hair. It's more of like a nice wavy kind of pattern. Everything is nice and like just tamed, you know what I mean? This is a 24-inch. I am gonna stand up just so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me in the back. This is where the hair is hitting me in the back. Let's turn around for y'all. Okay, perfect length. Bomb. Hello. Definitely like the length on this one. Definitely like the curl pattern. This is the end. This is what that looks like. And I like that everything is nice and full all the way across. Like it's really even, and that just makes it look a lot better. You know, it's nice and full all the way down to the ends. And another thing I did want to mention, it's very minimal shedding, and because of this texture you won't have to worry so much about like the hair tangling up or matting up on you, because it is such of a looser curl pattern. So that's another thing that you want to keep in mind. But absolutely love this unit, you guys. Wiggins Hair never disappoints. They're definitely, like, I would say top 3 for me. Like as far as hair companies, top 3 easy. Definitely in the top 3. Love, love, love them. I've been working with them for years, and I always get like some of my favorite units come from Wiggins Hair. So shout out to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video. And of course, I have to thank all of you guys for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you're interested in checking this unit out and you want to give it a try yourself, make sure you do check on that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details. If you guys have a question that I haven't answered, drop a comment down below and I'll give you guys, if you have a question, drop it down below and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.